Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to integrate third-party applications with Jotform workflows. This is incredibly useful when you want to automate your form submissions and connect them directly to tools like Google Drive, making your data management seamless and efficient. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, enter your login credentials to access your account. This will bring you to your main Jotform dashboard where you can manage all your forms and workflows. Now look towards the upper left corner of the page. You'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select My Workflows. This section is where you'll create and manage all your automated workflows, allowing you to streamline how your forms interact with other applications. Next, you'll want to create a new workflow from scratch. In the top left corner of the Workflows page, click the Create Workflow button. This opens up your workflow creation options. From here, select Start from Scratch to begin with a blank workflow canvas. This gives you complete control over how you want to structure your automation. Once you're in the workflow editor, you'll notice a section called Starting Point Form. Click on the Complete Settings option within this section. This is where you'll choose which form will trigger your workflow. Select the form you want to use from the available options. This form will be the foundation of your entire workflow, so choose one that contains the data you want to automate. Now it's time to build out your workflow. Look at the left sidebar where you'll find various elements you can add. Drag and drop the form element into your workflow canvas. This element represents an action step in your automation process. After adding the form element, click on the Complete Settings option within it. A drop-down menu will appear where you can select the specific form you want to use for this step. Below that, you'll see a field labeled Assignee Email Address. Type in the email address of the person who should receive notifications or assignments from this workflow step. Once you've entered the email, click Save to lock in your settings. Here's where the magic happens. To integrate a third-party application, go to the left panel and click on Integrations. You'll see a variety of applications available. For this tutorial, select Google Drive as your third-party application and drag it into your workflow canvas. This connection will allow your form submissions to automatically save to your Google Drive. Now click on the settings icon within the Google Drive element you just added. You'll see an option to authenticate. Click it and you'll be prompted to log into your Google Drive account. This step authorizes Jotform to connect with your Google Drive and transfer data securely. Enter your Google Drive credentials and complete the authentication process. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Google Drive with your Jotform workflow, automating how your form data flows into your cloud storage. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.